We talk so much about strength, discipline, control, resilience, but there's a kind of strength the world rarely speaks of, the strength to forgive yourself. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Do not waste what remains of your life in anger or regret." He understood that the real battle isn't with others. It's within. Most people carry their past like a chain, dragging it from one season to the next, punishing themselves for mistakes they can no longer change. But the Stoics knew that guilt is a thief. It steals today by holding you hostage to yesterday. Forgiving yourself isn't weakness, it's clarity. It's understanding that you can't walk forward if your hands are still clinging to the ruins of your past. Every wrong choice, every failure, every heartbreak, they were teachers, not prisons. Seneca said, "No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself." The meaning is clear. You are meant to learn, not to linger. You are meant to rise, not to rot in regret. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It means finally looking in the mirror without flinching. It's choosing to speak to yourself with the same compassion you offer others. Because if you can forgive a stranger, a friend, or an enemy, but not yourself, then you've misunderstood the very heart of Stoicism. Marcus Aurelius faced wars, betrayal, loss, yet in his writings, he never cursed himself. He reminded his soul to return to calm, to start again, to live by reason, not remorse. He knew that every sunrise was an invitation to begin anew. The Stoic doesn't ask, "Why did I fail?" He asks, "What can I learn from it now?" That question is where healing begins. So let this be your reminder. Your past is a lesson, not a sentence. You are not your worst day. You are not your mistakes. You are the strength that got back up, the wisdom that came after the storm. Forgive yourself not because you deserve to forget, but because you deserve to live. The moment you release your guilt, you reclaim your peace. And peace, my friend, is the purest form of power. As Marcus wrote, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. So choose calm, choose growth, choose forgiveness. Because the man who has forgiven himself fears nothing, not judgment, not failure, not the past. He walks freely, silently unbreakable.